na umiscore dito sa ating konferensya. Only 21 points per ball game. But around the basket, especially near the rim, he is a respectable scorer. But how can you argue, Carl?
Kung ibigay kay Donovan Smith. Import versus import. Difficult jumper. But that is a swish for Donovan.
If you're a student of the game, you would love to see an import like Donovan Smith. So cool from the outside. You know, he is what I call a 4-level scorer. He can really dominate inside the paint, use a lot of... naghahabol din ang panalo. Otherwise, baka delikado sila maka-advance.
Santillan, nauuna na, and he will connect on the layup.
That is why you like Thompson, because he is a good defender. He was able to force that turnover, and he plays with so much unselfishness, issuing that forward pass for an easy bucket for his team. Right spot on offense for his team.
Extra opportunity. Ayan, magbabayad ng mahal ang Phoenix at N1 for Dion Thompson.
So you look at his numbers in terms of field goals, hindi mataas yan. Pero pagdating dyan
sa his first action, mabilis na atake, hindi umubra para kay Garcia. Leak out, Santillan, touchdown!
This is really the design of Coach Yang Gao. Don't even massage the ball. Don't walk it. As soon as you see somebody in front of you, make that forward pass.
Garcia, umatake. The floater is good from the vet.
Oh, that ball screen is obviously a good point of attack here for the Fuel Masters. And look at the way the Elasto Painters are pushing that from
digits with 10 points.
And talking about Donovan Smith, he just has a complete offensive skill set. He scored a career-high 37 points versus Terrafirma. And ang pinakamagandang aspeto sa kanya, nabanggit natin, yung dami na kaya niya gawin sa loob offensively. But in that game, he also...
Ang bola ngayon, Karakot. Ibibigay kay Santillan, bibitaw ng 3. That rattles home, umiinit na, umaandar na ang 3-point shooting ng Elasto Painters.
Hindi magdadalawang isip yan. Alam nila na meron silang disensyang tumira sa labas, maski nagmimintas.
Tio, umatake. Tyler converts. He has 8 points in the matchup. First 2 points of the second quarter.
Still enough time. Wow.
Oh, nakaswerte.
The ball faster, lessening the dribble on transition, and looking for the open man right away. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat for that report, Ms. Eileen Shi. And now you're seeing aggression mula dito sa Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, courtesy of Jonard Clarito. Pabigla-bigla, sumugod lang sa gitna using the handoff, and this will result to the best move. Bobelga, titira ng 3. Pasok yan!
A great rhythm shot. Specialty rin ni Bobelga yan. He will slow down a little bit. Being the second post guy, meaning yung mga nung araw, very obvious yan.
Yan mismo ang gagawin nila, import kontra import. Mabilis na pihit, umikot. Sinalubong ng 3 defenders. Hindi man lang ininda ni Donovan Smith.
I had an opportunity to talk to Team Governor Zorilla right after their victory in their previous game, and I told him, you have a gem of an import because he can do a lot of things inside the basketball court. He can play with this...
Garcia, kumakaripas ng takbo. Layup niya, papasok yan.
Good decision using that tiny Euro step. Itong si R.R. Garcia, add another 2 points for him to up his total to 10 points. Then team here in the PBA.
Ganda ng pasa nito si Belga, resulting to another N1 opportunity for Clarito.
In the first 2 quarters, they were down by 4 points. Talo sila in terms of a total number of points.
Our fourth quarter, kailangan tumiskarte na ng Rain or Shine. Magtangkang lumapit. Grabe naman yon. Mula kay Adrian Loco.
Humihiga sa ere, naghahanap pa ng foul. Itong ROS, pero hindi nabigyan ron. Pero pito pa rin ang lamang nitong Phoenix. Now they have to execute. They have to involve their import.
Kay Balungay sana. Dion Thompson, sinubo na lang sa ring with no defenders that could match up against him.
It is very simple basketball. It is just a shot close to the basket. At tama yung point mo, maliliit relatively itong Fuel Masters. Kaya lamang talaga ron si Thompson sa ganung mga floater.
20 puntos po para kay Dion gamit ng screen. Pupunta kay RJ Hazul for 3. That's good for RJ.
Oh, back to back. Good execution on offense for Coach Jamaica rin. A lot of misdirections on offense. They went
From the stripe. Loco for 3. Huge from Adrian.
Oh, you just cannot take things for granted, especially with Adrian Nocum in his usual element. Apat na lang to.
Staring at it. Perkins making a move. Jason for the win. Block. But back is gone. Get it, Duffin. Wins it for Phoenix.
Just being at the right place and at the right time. Again, Perkins was in a very good position to go for the go-ahead basket. He was foiled, but out of nowhere on the weak side, taking advantage of being open on the putback.
Tuloy sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapusyonado. Angat ang laban.